I would like to recognize again, of course, congratulations sa una gid sa aton SK President for again celebrating the Linggo ng Kabataan. So, of course, pursuant to Article or Section 49 of the Local Government Code of 1991 provides that we shall observe the Linggo ng Kabataan. So, let me introduce to you our officers. From start sa PCL, our counterpart of course, Honorable Ramon Soliano. We have Jensen Clarice J. Posada sa Pavia National High School. Welcome. Thank you from the Liga ng Barangay Presiane or Presiane. Nicole T. Camano of Alimudjan National Comprehensive High School. Our SK counterpart, Jezeri Marie Solacito of Cabatuan National Comprehensive High School. For the 5th District, the counterpart of Board Member Tupas, Biggie Tupas, is Brian Roy Bayot of Balansan National High School. Counterpart of Board Member Espinosa Diaz is from Pavia National High School, Bernard Joseph Nang. For the 4th District, ang aton subong floor leader, Shera Luis M. Garcera of Alimudjan National Comprehensive High School. And counterpart ni Board Member Distura is Wines Fatima Laika Butas from New Lucena National High School. For the 3rd District, both are coming from Cabatuan National Comprehensive High School. For Board Member Palabrica is John Benedict A. Manias. For Board Member Jason Gonzalez is Garin Kate C. Alviar. For the 2nd District, first coming from Pavia National High School, ang counterpart ni Board Member Mondehar is Aset Ann A. Benes. For Board Member Kahilig is Alexander Ernest P. Apostol from New Lucena National Comprehensive National High School. For the 1st District, coming from Oton National High School for Board Member Herminanda is Roxanne Christine De La Cruz. For Board Member Serag is from Pavia National High School, Bea Natalie L. Golingan. And for Vice Governor is from Guimbal National High School, Trisha Ann L. Taladhay. Thank you. And for the information, everybody, our governor is coming from Cabatuan National Comprehensive High School. That's Ivon John E. Ponesto. Okay? So again, congratulations to all of you, and I hope you will have a very productive week.